Hello friends, I am Manju Pandey, TGT Physical and Health Education from KVCRP of Rampur, Agra region. Today we will discuss the topic warm up and cool down. Warm up. Warming up is a preparation for physical exertion or a performance by exercising or practicing gently beforehand, usually undertaken before a performance or practice. Means when a person do a warm up, the heart rate, breathing rate and core body temperature gradually increases, preparing the body and system for physical activity. This helps prevent injuries. Next, goals of warm up. The goals of warm up is to increase oxygen delivery and nutrients to the muscle, prepare muscle, prepare muscle to stretch for performing the skills in the activity, prepare heart for activity. Means in normal state, the heartbeat is near about 72 beat per minute. While during activity, muscle need more blood for energy, so the load of heart increases. So the warm up helps to heart gradually increase their activity. Next, benefits of warm up. The benefits of warm up is warming up prevent injuries by loosening your joints and improving blood flow to the muscles, making muscle less likely to rip, tear or twist in a harmful way during workout. And stretching also helps to prepare muscle for the physical activities about to perform. Next, warming up enhance the range of motion of the joints, enhance the muscle performance by accelerating the metabolism and decreasing muscle resistance. Next, warm up prevents the body from overheating. It helps the body to gradually increase the body temperature. Next is warming up raises body temperature, which in turn improves nerve transmission and muscle metabolism. This helps muscle perform faster and more efficiently. Types of warm up. There are three types of warm up. First is general warm up. General warm up. In general warm up, low intensity activity like walking, jogging, designed to elevate the heart rate and increase oxygen transport and blood flow. Generally, general warm up divided into two parts. First is joint rotation. Joint rotation like wrist rotation, elbow rotation, shoulder, neck, waist, hip rotation, leg rotation, knees, ankles, and toes rotation. Next is aerobic activity. Aerobic activity like jogging and running. Next is dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretching means moving through a controlled range of motion to extend a joint and prepare it for movement. Third is specific warm up. Specific warm up means the same movement that will be used during the activity but at a reduced intensity. And such sports activities is beneficial because it's improve coordination, balance, strength, and response time and may reduce the risk of injury. Next topic is cool down. Cool down. In cool down, we perform easy exercise that will allow the body to gradually transition from an exertional state to a resting or near resting state. Just as the warm up prepare the body for work, the cool down brings it back to its normal state. Goals of cool down. Cool down promote recovery and return the body to a pre-exercise or pre-work level, allow muscle to return to their normal temperature, gradually return heart rate and breathing rate to the normal. Benefits of cool down. Benefits of cool down is help with the post exercise muscle soreness that is usually experienced the day after a tough workout. Cool down helps the body in its repair process like recovery of oxygen, recovery of energy. A cool down has been shown to prevent blood pooling after exercise. Blood pooling means that the buildup of blood in the veins after your muscles stop contracting against your blood vessel. This is a result of the exercise pumping more blood than usual to the working muscle. The cool down process prevents the blood pooling effects like dizziness, nausea, or even fainting also. Cool down helps to remove waste product from muscle. Next part of effective cool down. First is gentle exercise. Gentle exercise like jogging or walking. Next is stretching. In stretching, we do static stretching and PNF stretching. PNF stretching means proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. This stretching technique utilized to improve flexibility also. And in cool down, we refuel the body by fluid or food both. Thank you.